Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Aishwarya and today's video is going to be my birthday gifts unboxing video, or what I got for my birthday video. And I'm really excited for today's video because I've been so patient and kept so many gifts unboxed just to shoot this video for you guys, so I'm really excited. But before moving on to today's video, a quick disclaimer that this is not me trying to show off or trying to brag about the things that I've got. It's just me showing you guys what all gifts I've got for my birthday, because I know you're all curious to know. And also you guys will also get some inspiration to gift someone by watching this video. Even I do watch many of these videos in case I want to gift someone, and I get so many inspiration. So this is like a great inspirational video as well. So having said that, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So firstly, we have got like a bag full of gifts. This is by my sister Jeevita, so we need to unbox all of these. So I'll do that later on. First I'm going to be showing you guys what all gifts that I've got, and I've kind of unpacked because impatient me, I did that. So I'm going to be showing you guys those gifts first. So yeah, but firstly we have this beautiful mug which was gifted to me by my mom. And if you have already watched my previous year's gifts unboxing video, then you'll already know that my mom, she gave me last year also like a mug, and now all the design on it is like worn out, so she has got me a new one. So this is how it looks. This is so pretty, guys, like I really love it. Oh yeah, one second. So this is how it looks. This is how the mug looks from inside. It's white in color and it has like a beautiful print on it, but that's not the best part. The best part is how this cap looks, guys. It has like a mirror kind of a finishing on it, which is in like blue color, and I love it so much. It looks so pretty. You can almost see your face in it. So yeah, this is like a cap, so you can open it, store any kind of drink that you want, and you can close it also, and it actually keeps any kind of drink warm. So that's like a bonus point. Thanks to my mom, I got this. And this is the second gift that I got from my mom. This is like a selfie vlogging stick which also has like a Bluetooth in it. So it's like a really thoughtful gift again, because I keep vlogging and my selfie stick is not really good. So having like a vlogging stick is a better idea. So I'll just show it to you guys how it looks from inside. So this is how the vlogging stick looks like. It's like a really sturdy vlogging stick. So you should open it like this, and here you're gonna place your phone. Okay, like this. You can twist it horizontal or vertical, however you want. And you can also like if you want to adjust the height, you can do it accordingly as well. So yeah, that is like a really good part of it. And also not just this, you can also use it like a tripod, almost to place it on like tabletop or surfaces like that. So one second, I'll show you. You can just keep it like this and vlog. So when I go to restaurants and everything, it was like really difficult to place my phone and vlog. So this is going to be really helpful, and I really appreciate the thought of my mom for getting me this, because it's going to be really helpful. So yeah, that was my second gift. And we have a few more makeup products as gifts by my mom, so I'll show you guys that really quick as well. Firstly, we have this Sugar Mini Lipsticks kit. It has like 4 lipsticks in it, which are of different shades. So it's like again a really thoughtful gift, because when I make makeup videos, I'm like looking for different lipstick shades. So this is going to be handy. So this is how it looks like from inside. I'm gonna show you guys like each lipstick. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It's like a very mini and cute lipstick, very travel friendly in that case. And also this is in the shade Wine and Shine, 08 Wine and Shine. And I have like already used all of it, because for my birthday I was like really impatient, so I already used everything. So yeah. Okay, the next gift we have got is also by Sugar, and it is a foundation. It is the Drop the Base foundation by Sugar in the shade 15 Cappuccino. This is like a really good foundation for daily use. It doesn't have much coverage, but yeah, I'm really glad that my mom picked out this for me. So yeah, those were all the gifts that my mom gave to me. Now let's quickly unbox all the gifts from my sister. I'm really excited because I haven't seen those gifts, so I'm kind of excited now. So yeah, let's do that. So the first gift that I saw in the bag was this one, and it is quite huge as well. So yeah, let's open this. I should have actually gotten a scissor, but I forgot, so I'm gonna go and quickly get one and come. So yeah, I bought the scissor. Now let's open this. And by the way guys, I love receiving gifts, opening gifts and everything. So if you want to gift me something, I'm always open to it. Just putting it out there. I was just kidding guys. I don't expect anything from you guys other than love. So yeah. Wow guys, this is like so cute. It is a pillow from Miniso, which is in a pastel pink color. I love it. It's from Miniso, the tag says that, and yeah, it looks so cute. I love it. Thank you so much Akka. I'm really grateful for this. There's a zip. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, this is not just a pillow guys, there is something else in it too. Oh, I got this. So this is like a blanket kind of a pillow, you know, when you're traveling you can use. I was eyeing on this for such a long time. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much Akka. I'm really happy for this gift. So this is like a box kind of a packaging. I'm wondering what's inside. I probably can't guess this, so yeah, let's quickly open it. I can see something pink inside. Oh yeah. Wow, look at this guys. This is a cute comb. Let's open it again, like the box. Wow, I love pink stuff. So this is like a cute pink colored comb which has some kind of like a Disney character on it, because I can read that. So, oh, this also has like a mirror in it guys. I mean, I cannot show you because I have all my setup. So it has like a mirror in this side and a comb over this side. I can like comb. Wow, this is so good. I love it already. Guys, there are still a lot more gifts in the bag. We'll move on to the third one. And also, I'm really sorry if I'm not doing this like a very formal way, because this is how I am. I love to express things, and if I'm not doing that properly, please don't mind. So yeah, let's quickly open this. She had told me that she was going for shopping in Miniso, like when we were talking on a call, but I didn't guess that it was for me, like to buy gifts for me. I really didn't expect that. Ah, these are scented candles by Miniso. And this is also in a pink color. It kind of has like a berry kind of a flavoring to it. I really love the scent of it. I can't wait to light all of these. And again, thank you so much. After opening each gift, I'm like, thank you so much, thank you so much. Let's move on to the next gift. Okay, so the next gift is also in kind of like a box packaging which has like a toffee ending to it. It has some liquid shaking in it, so I'm wondering if this is like a perfume. Let's see if my guess is correct. So yeah, I'm going to be opening it. Yes! I guess I was right. This is a perfume because, you know, my guesses are always correct. So this says exquisite blooming perfume, and I love this word called bloom. So yeah, this perfume is going to be perfect for me. I think I'm going to be opening this on later, or should I open it now? What do you think? I think I'll open it now, because why later? Why not now? If you guys don't know, I'm like a really perfume hoarder. I love to hoard perfumes. So yeah, putting it out there. And also Miniso perfumes are like so good. They're like really good. Wow, look at this. This has such a luxurious packaging. And it is also again in pink color. So I'm going to be spraying this on like a little bit. Smells really good. It has like a really good note to it. I'm not able to actually explain it really well, but yeah, it does smell really good. Next gift, and this is in like a a different shape altogether, so I'm assuming what is inside. So let's see. Oh, so these are this cute pair of socks, and again this is also by Miniso if you're wondering, and these are in such cute pastel colors, guys. Like, I am in love with pastel colors, and yeah, again I'm really thankful because I was like almost running out of socks, but then while I was shopping for my birthday, I actually took it, but then I got more pair of socks, so I'm really thankful for this cute pair of socks. So we have like 3 to 4 more of gifts left, so yeah, let's open all of that. And I'm not going to be guessing what's inside because I don't know, I don't feel like it, so I'm excited to open. Let's do that. I have been using this word excited all throughout the video because I am really excited, guys. Like, I'm exaggerating over this word, but that is how it is. There are so many pink colored cute AF stuff in here. I can't wait to show it to you guys. Firstly, we have this cute pom-pom, kind of like a hair clip. This is like so cute. The next one is like this cute bow kind of hair clip, and if you know me, I love to wear hair clips and stuff. It's going to look so cute, but not now because we'll wear it for some other outfit. So yeah, this is so cute. More which is like similar to that, so yeah. And another bow, kind of like a hair clip, and I love hair clips, guys. Like, I really love. Oh, okay, so this is a scrunchie, and you can see I'm wearing a scrunchie now also. So this is a scrunchie which has also like a scarf, so this is like a scarf scrunchie. This looks so good when you wear it with like a ponytail or something. And yeah, this is also in pink color. I guess she has gone for all pink kind of themed gifts, and yeah, I'm really thankful. Thank you so much. Well, that's not the last. There are still more stuff. Again, another pink scrunchie. Yeah, I love scrunchies. I have so many, and this is going to be another like added on into the collection. Okay, so lastly we have like a nail paint in here, which is also again by Miniso. It is in the shade, I don't know the shade, but it says Color Box Nail Polish, and it looks so pretty. It's like a pretty shimmery shade, and also my current nail paint is all like shipped off. I didn't have time to reapply it, so sorry for that. So yeah, again, thank you so much. I really love this. It's like really pretty. I can almost like make a backdrop with all of the things that I got, like a pink aesthetic video. I can make like that because yeah, I've got, I mean, I'm so happy right now. You can't even imagine how happy I am. So yeah, this is how the next gift looks like. It is also in kind of like a different kind of a shape. So let's open this real quick. I can see something pink in here again, and I'm assuming something. I love bucket hats. I already have one in black, so this is like a pink colored bucket hat. Now with all the stuff that my sister has given me, I can definitely put together like an outfit which is pink in color and wear all of the things and be like a pink aesthetic babe, and that's going to be so fun. Let me know if you want something like that. How the bucket hat looks like. Wow, so pretty. Like, the color is like so pretty, guys. I love bucket hats, and she loves bucket hats too, so we both love bucket hats. Thank you again. Next gift we have is kind of like a little heavier than all the like rest of the gifts that I opened, so I really don't know what's inside. Let's quickly open it, and it is also in like a box shaped packaging, so yeah. Quickly guess what is inside and comment down below. So let's see, what do you guys think might be inside? can see another something in pink. Voila, it's a notebook, guys, and it is in pink color. I mean, it is so nice. It's kind of like a spiral binded notebook, and it has so many different sections. I can see that. I love stationery and I love different stuff. Thank you again. All looking so pink, and like I've kept all the stuff together and it's all looking like so pink and cute together. And now, at least after unboxing all of these gifts for a few days at least, pink has to be my favorite color. So on to the last gift by my sister. So let's open this. Wow, this looks so pretty, and again in pink. So now I've got the outfit as well, so now we can put everything together and make like a pink edition outfit. Yeah, I'm going to be wearing this a lot now. And yeah, that was my last gift which my sister gave. And I'm really very thankful to everyone who gave me gifts and everyone who took time and wished me on my birthday, because I'm really blessed and grateful to have all of you. And a special thanks to my sister because she has given me such lovely gifts. I love all of them, and my favorite has to be that blanket pillow kind of a thing. I loved it. Thank you so much again. And I guess yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I personally enjoyed filming this video a lot because, you know, unboxing all of these gifts gives me so much happiness. So yeah, I think that is it for today's video. But before ending this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Also, like this video if you enjoyed it. Do give me some lovely comments in this comment section. And yeah, I shall see you soon in my next video. Until then, love yourself, be safe and be happy. Bye guys. Bola hai sarange.